Growing pear trees. Tips for the care of pear trees. Important fruit crop of temperate region. It belongs to the family Rosaceae. It can be grown at 1,700 to 2,400 meters above mean sea level. Pear fruit is rich source of protein and vitamins. Due to its wider adaptability of climate and soil, pear can be grown in subtropical to temperate regions. In India, pear is cultivated in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and UP, and low-chilling varieties do well in subtropical regions. Climate. Temperature 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 50 to 75 mm. Sowing temperature 10 to 18 degrees Celsius. Harvesting temperature 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Soil. It can be grown on variety of soil ranging from sandy loam to clay loam. It gives best results when grown in deep, well-drained, fertile soil without having any hard pan up to 2-meter depth. pH of soil should not be more than 8.7. Popular varieties with their yield. Patharnak. It is a hard and spreading variety. Fruits are of medium size, round and green with prominent dot on it. Flesh is juicy and crisp. Because of its good keeping quality, it is useful for long distance transport. It mature is July last week. Gives average yield of 150 kilograms per tree. Punjab Nak. It is a hard pear variety. It is selection from Patharnak. It is also spreading variety. Fruits are oval shaped, light yellowish green with prominent dots. Flesh is crisp and juicy. Fruits get ready to harvest in 4th week of July. It gives average yield of 190 kilograms per tree. Punjab Gold. It is a semi-soft variety of pear. Fruits are large with golden yellow color with white flesh. Fruits get mature at July end. This variety is suitable for processing. Gives average yield of 80 kilograms per tree. Punjab Nectar. It is a semi-soft variety of pear. Tree is of medium height. Fruits are of medium to large size. Fruits are of yellow-green color with white flesh. On ripening, fruits become juicy. It gets mature in 4th week of July. Gives average yield of 80 kilograms per tree. Punjab Beauty. It is a semi-soft variety of pear. Trees are of medium size, upright, and bear regularly. Fruits are of medium size with yellow and red blush. Flesh is of white color and more juicy and sweet. Fruits mature in July 3rd week. It gives average yield of 80 kilograms per plant. Le Conte. It is a semi-soft variety of pear. Fruits are of small to medium size. Fruits are of greenish yellow color with white juicy, sweet flesh. It gets mature in 1st week of August. Gives average yield of 60 to 80 kilograms per tree. Nigisiki. It is a semi-pear variety. Fruits are juicy having white flesh and total suspended solids of 12.9%. Fruits are ready for harvesting in June end to 1st week of July. Punjab Soft. It is a semi-pear variety. Fruits are of medium size with white flesh with total suspended solids of 11.3%. Other state variety. Keefar. Early maturing variety. Fruits are large, golden yellow colored. Baggugosha. It is a semi-soft variety of pear. Fruits are of greenish yellow color with flesh is sweet and of cream or white color. Fruits get mature in August 1st week. The variety is suitable for transportation purpose. It gives an average yield of 60 kilograms per tree. China pear. Also known as Asian pears, apple pears or sand pears, are a healthy treat that combine the best qualities of apples and pears. Time of sowing. Planting is completed in January month. 1-year-old plants are used for planting. Spacing. Plants are planted at distance of 8 by 4 meters. Before planting, clear land and remove remains of earlier plants. Then level the land properly and give gentle slope for water drainage. Sowing depth. Dig a pit of 1 by 1 by 1 meter size and fill pits 1 month before planting in November month with topsoil and add well-rotten farm yard manure and then allow it to settle. Finally, pit should be filled with subsoil mixed with 10 to 15 kilograms of well-decomposed cow dung, 500 kilograms SSP, and drench the pit with chlorpyrifos at 50 milliliter or 10 liter of water per pit. After planting, irrigation should be done. Method of sowing. For planting, square or rectangular planting can be adopted. In hilly areas, contour system of planting is used for cultivation. Pruning and training. Training is done for the development of strong framework of scaffold branches to get higher yield and quality fruit. The pear trees are trained according to modified central leader system. Pruning. Remove all diseased, dead, broken weak branches, head back 1/4 during dormant season to induce spreading of branches. Pests. Spider mite, hopper, aphid and thrips. Diseases. Pear scab. Dark moldy spots are observed underside of leaves. Later they turn into grey color. Affected portion get fall off. Later on spot are observed on fruits. Root rot. Bark and wood get turned brown with white powdery growth on it. Infected tree get wilted and give early leaves fall. Harvesting. For local markets, fruits are harvested at fully mature stage, and in case of distant markets, farm and green fruits are picked. Delayed picking reduces storage life, unattractive color and insipid flavor. Hard peach variety required near about 145 days to mature, whereas semi-soft peach varieties required near about 135 to 140 days for harvesting.